Do you notice that every time you look something up on Google or any search engine at all, it always gives you the most relevant results? Although sometimes it doesn't really work the way you want it to, it still gives out their best suggestions, best searches, best results. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about an opportunity that is super easy. It's just as simple as scrolling through the internet, and I'm going to be showing you 5 websites. You're going to have so much fun with this. So if you guys want to get on and start, then make sure you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now, all you need, obviously, is a mobile phone or any device that is available to you, and of course, a good internet connection, an active email, preferably gmail.com, and also a PayPal account, because these websites are specific when it comes to these things. So make sure you have that so you don't have any other problem. It's obviously free and it's super easy to do. You don't need any skills. You don't need any experience. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. Make sure you watch until the very end to come out successful, and let's jump right into it. So the first one that we have on the list is called Appen, and Appen is a machine intelligence company that does data sourcing, data annotation, and model evaluation from humans, and enables the most innovative companies with AI projects to succeed. And basically, this is the website that is responsible for data sourcing, as they said, and evaluation, primarily for AI-related projects. And Appen is trusted by global leaders to power their mission-critical AI with data for over 25 years by Amazon, Adobe, Bloomberg, Google, Microsoft, and even prominent universities. And this is because the company is a well-known and trusted partner for unleashing the potential of a company's AI by solving data sourcing, data annotation, and real-world model testing needs. Now, where or how are we actually going to earn, and how are we going to earn as a search engine evaluator? So you see the website, it has a service called the Model Evaluation by Humans, which offers a ton of part-time jobs like projects, microtasks, and surveys or data collection, which does involve AI program or search engine testing and rating for Appen's clients. So first, you're going to create your account, and to do so, you're simply going to choose the apply option in the 3 types of job categories, and then you're going to sign up using your email. You can then put in your name, your email, your password, and then it's going to take you to your dashboard. And as you can see, there are thousands of projects for you that you can do and actually earn from. Just make sure that you already have your PayPal account set so that your payouts can go straight into your PayPal account. So our second website is actually called Lion Bridge. This is also something that gives you part-time jobs. Now, so obviously, it's an American company that provides translation and localization services ranging from technology, gaming, life sciences, marketing, commerce, and more. And if you actually want more, different simple tasks other than just being a search engine evaluator, Lionbridge is the online based freelancing companies as well that you can also take up and you can actually use to earn money and do different tasks or jobs that are available. And it doesn't even matter what country you're from, because it's actually worldwide available as well. So it's absolutely amazing. Now, to join Lionbridge, you're going to go to their careers website page. Then you're going to click on the view all of the jobs, and then you're going to just search for a job or a task that you want to participate in or you want to apply for. And then once you've chosen your job, you can actually sign up already. Just input all of the details they ask of you, and then you can start your application from there, and there it goes. You can start working for them. Why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you would rather use to get paid? PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. Also, I want you guys to check out our links in the description box down below. I'm sure you guys are not going to regret it. These are links to more possibilities, more opportunities. So make sure you click it, and let's continue. Now we're on our way to the third website, and this website is called Radar Labs, and this is actually a subsidiary of Append, right? So they're kind of in the same area, they're kind of from the same company, and this means, when you sign up for Radar Labs, it will also redirect you to Append, and then they're pretty much the same or connected or related. Now, this is a remote company, and it provides a lot of online or virtual jobs to independent contractors. Independent contractors are given job assignments, which are mostly currently active from Append, but mostly focused on testing and rating tasks for any applications, AI systems, search engines. This is easy to log into when you have the Append account because you're just going to use the same one. So Append and Radar Labs, they're pretty much the same, so you don't even need to create two separate ones. You can have one because it's basically an extension site with the same sign up, same payout process, requirements, everything. Our fourth website is called Glassdoor, and Glassdoor lets you search millions of jobs and gets the inside scoop on companies with employee reviews and personalized salary tools and more. This primarily includes, job reviews, which include search engine evaluations, which we are talking about in this video. But Glassdoor actually helps job seekers with straight from the source inside reviews and corner office intel employers. Also, they post hiring announcements, which are free of charge because for Glassdoor, you deserve a job that loves you. So, real touching. Right now, signing up with Glassdoor is super duper easy, just like all other easy processes. You can either create an account manually or just sign up using your Gmail or your Facebook, and then you're going to create a password, and then you have access to a ton of jobs or tasks again in your dashboard. And again, don't forget to link your PayPal so that you can be paid out properly and easily. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit the notification bell so that you're going to be notified when we have a new video posted. Let's keep going then. Now we have the last one on our list, okay? And that is Work Market. Now, Work Market is a New York City-based company which gives an online platform and marketplace for different businesses to manage freelancers, contractors, and consultants. Now, this website is very friendly as it does give, secure and reliable payments based on your terms. It's super easy to get paid and to pay. And there's even an automated invoicing. There's multiple e-payment options. And to apply for the search engine evaluation job or social media review job on this website, you're gonna look for the sign up option on Work Market, and then it's on the homepage. You're gonna scroll down for the sign up task box, which you're gonna click on sign up as an individual, and then you're gonna provide all of the details being asked. So that's your name, your email. Then you're gonna agree to their privacy terms. Then you're gonna do their CAPTCHA. Now you can proceed into the dashboard, into the website, into your account, and then you're going to see all of the tasks available to you. You can apply to everything if you want to. Make sure you try all 5 websites because that's how you're going to get the best results possible. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.